Daddy, where are we going? To Thai Festival. Ha? Sige, sige. Videoan ko. Okay lang mo siguro mag-video, no? Oreo? This cake, very good. Oreo, you want Oreo? Okay, we're gonna get you an Oreo. Why am I wearing a jacket? Ethan, you want some of these? Pre-made na nila. Can we get one Oreo? Okay. What's that? Oreo cookie. And milk. Does it? There. Ooh, are you excited? Are you excited, Ethan? Ethan, you have to walk now. My back is killing me. You're too heavy. Look, 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 look. There we go. There we go. Ooh, it's like a sticker. One more. How many? You count. How many? Five. Good. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, that's it. That's the big one then. Yay! We're gonna look somewhere to sit.
Absolutely fantastic. What a way to start the Thai Festival 2025. What a welcome. Absolutely fabulous. Aren't we lucky? Absolutely stunning. People need to go to the bathroom. Whereabouts would they need to go?
Bili tayo niya mamaya, Daddy. Milk tea.
Also have
Ethan, Ethan.
I know a lot of stores also have cash.
Money.
Yeah, just behind the every now and then.
Ito naman, coconut pancake yung ano na tinitinda nila.
Keep that in mind that there's a lot of prizes given out throughout the day, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Across there you've got little games.
If you haven't tried durian before, do go up and give it a shot. My first experience, can I give a review?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, I had one. Songkran.
We've got so much to offer here.
Oh, yep.
If you are a big fan of sweet, of your sweet tooth, you just can go straight to some booths like A7. We've got custard, bun, salted flavors. We've got Merle Sago.
I think that's what I'm going to do, to be honest. You see the little of that?
100%. 100%. That'll be operations in the between.
Fabulous. I am so excited for
Sabi ito, meron naman daw. Pero may mga parang hindi naman sila masyado ano sa
Go back to daddy, go back to daddy. Run, 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 run in there. You go to daddy, go to daddy. Hey, go to daddy. Run, 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 run.
pero may perform na
Again, again. Ethan! Klasa mo. Tumakbo na kasi siya kanina. May bata kasi kanina.
oh, yan na.
Let me see it. Oh. Ay, nalaglag.
Nalaglag.
Yung toppings.
Ano siya ano? Tuto na ano?
Wait. Ano siya? Parang siyang pudding? Alasa? Alasa, daddy?
Anong kasama ko?
Okay.
You wanna try? No?
Come then. Good. Wanna try? You try? It's yum.
Ito.
I wanna try the coconut pancake there, sa katabi nila. Let's go. Let's try the coconut pancake. Daddy, try natin coconut pancake.
Siya tayo siya.
Egg marinade. pieces yeah ค่ะบ้าบิ่นไหมคะ
Wait.
สวยจังเลย สวยเหมือนคุณแม่เลย สวัสดีค่ะ ไข่ปิ้งไหมคะ สวัสดีค่ะ ไข่ปิ้งไหมจ๊ะ เอาไม้หนึ่งนะจ๊ะ
Thank you.
ไม้ละ
Thank
10
you.
Ethan.
เราทำนะคะ
You wanna try Ethan?
I'll try. Let's try.
Ethan, Ethan. Ethan, you wanna try?
This is coconut pancake, no? Coconut pancake. Ulit-ulit, Daddy.
Parang deep fried, parang pan fried na pichi-pichi.
Kanya.
Ethan,
Gooey siya, no? Parang siyang gooey na.
parang pichi-pichi. Ethan. Nanti sa ganun kasi tamis.
Top dead. Hindi siya matamis. No? How much is this one? Sarap. Meron siya makapuno, no? O kanya. $5 dalawa? $5 dalawa, Daddy? Coconut pancake. Next one natin, drinks. Bili ka, Daddy? Bili ka? Milk tea? Yun mamaya na. Ayan. What's that? What are you doing? What is that? Oh, sorry. Sorry. Stand up.
Hello, Mama. I'm good, thank you.
Let's go to Daddy. He's buying something. Daddy, what are you buying? Ano bibili mo? Ooh, sausage. Thai pork sausage. Oh, they got some curry pop. What do you want, Ethan? You want something? Huh? Chicken skin. You want some chicken skin? I got steam buns. Mooncakes. They got mooncakes.
Community Liaison Officer, Department of Home Affairs, Dr. Warapon Sally, Minister Consular, Cultural Cultural Affairs, Royal Thai Embassy, Canberra. A deeper understanding and appreciation of Thai culture and traditions within the local community here in South
Ethan, you tired?
We aim to build
You hungry?
between Thailand and Australia, nurturing friendship and collaborations through cultural exchange,
Yan, Daddy.
community engagement,
Ano naman yan? Show it to Ethan. Show it to Ethan. Come
What's
on.
up?
You wanna try?
Australia
Let me see.
Sausage, Thai sausage.
background. Casa is a place where we come together to celebrate diversity, unity, and mutual respect. Today marks as we hold an annual Thai festival and a grand invitation. While we are thrilled about this new venue, it's also bittersweet for us as we can no
Okay, son?
longer hold our festival into the exciting development.
You try.
And we are for the last
Medyo matapang
years
yung ano niya.
since we have there,
Sabaw nila.
we have received enormous support from
Sarap.
people there.
Wala siyang sauce?
And also be very grateful for support we
How much is that?
from City of Restaurants, Mayor Coxon and his staff,
$9 rin dito.
$9.
amazing staff there throughout the years. The guidance and partnership have been invaluable, and we look forward to continue our close relationship with now.
Of them.
It marks the beginning of a new year according to the traditional Thai lunar
Basta
calendar.
yung ano,
In Thailand,
steam bun.
Songkran is a
Nasa dun
time
sa
of family
skewer.
reunions, paying respect to elders and reflecting on the year gone by.
It's getting bored.
Try mo din dyan? Ano meron dyan?
Tawa pila.
Ah, may rice siya. Rice meal.
Drink. Ethan. Drink. And come on. Wanna try? Longchang.
Anong tawag dito?
Longchang.
Longchang?
Ethan.
Longchang, longchang.
Hindi ano, wala akong napkin. Ethan, wanna try? Come on.
Wanna try? Sure?
Ethan, get the photo namin.
You know you're recording yourself, right? You're recording yourself. You know that? Say hi. Hi, vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Hi.
Hi, vlog. Say hi, vlog.
Dog. Nana ducks.
Look at him. Look at him. Look. Really?
Parang national dish nila. Law.
Lao?
Lard. Lard yung tawag.
Ah, national dish mo?
Ng Lao.
Ah, Lao. Sa kotse natin kakainin.
Oo. Itong batang to eh.
Ito na yung tired.
Itong tired.
Yung tired. Kasi mangot na siya.
Crispy.
Patingin ako, daddy. Buksan mo muna. Open it. Yan yung larb.
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 Lao.
Try natin yung squid. Try natin yung squid, daddy. De.
Ha?
Sa try natin yung squid. Nakanamod na lang yun. Oh, ito yung star. For number 37.
We talk about Thailand as
ร้านบนก็ที่ไปก่อนที่ไปมาที่น่าจะเดือนนี้
Toasted. You tired?
Number 59.
Let me see, Daddy. Wow, this one's bigger. Definitely.
Angkat mo yung ano. Ito na sa ibabaw. Hindi. Baka mahulog.
It's mio.
Tapos.
Tara, dito na tayo. Kumain na. Haya, tara. Ethan, come on. Ethan, come on. Ethan, bye. We're going.
Let's go, Ethan.
We're going. You're going. You're tired now, right?
Look, Ethan.
Look for chicken. Yes, for chicken.
Yeah, let's go.
So, ito lahat na nabili namin. Mas malaki yung ito, no?
Ano to?
Then, third, right?
Dala ka na.
Obvious. We're going home now. Come on, Ethan. Uwi na tayo. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on. You go follow Daddy. Uwi na tayo. Uwi na kami. Ha? Next natin, titikman ay ang squid. Grilled squid nila. For $10. Ito yung $10, Daddy, no? Oo, ayun. Okay. Ito yung isa, $15. Ito yung isa, much bigger daw.
Alam mo pa yung presyo.
Taka.
Ito yung meron.
Nangingalam ka.
Spice.
Ah, wow. Look at this. And this is $10 naman. Tada! Ah, okay. Alam ko na. Ito yung ano, parang Australian squid eh. Yung malaki, tapos walang skin. Ayan o. Malamang frozen to. Ito yung frozen. See? It's much bigger. $10. Can I have a bite?
Tapos mo muna yung ano mo.
Not that good.
Huh?
It's okay. Kala siya masarap pero hindi siya masarap. Ano naman yung ulo namin din nila? Hindi siya type. Yung seasoning nila, hindi type.
Ano sa asin?
Paras lang. lasa. Ba't ganun?
No.
Nom, 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 nom. Chewy. Hindi siya chewy, malambot pa rin siya. Tama lang yung pagkakaluto. Mm. Ang mumukbang ni si Ethan. Ano din siya, Daddy? Ako wala pang bilhin yung ano nila, yung barbecue pork nila. Huh?
Record ka pa rin?
Ha?
Record ka.
Oh. Chicken.
Hindi mo type ta?
Hindi pa. Hindi taping isa. Ito medyo okay pa siya.
Uy, ano ta? Ano ta? Mag-drive na ako?
Ayun na. Yung drinks. Tayo ng ano, drinks, Daddy?
May tubig ka diba? Ito nga yung daya yun. Nakadalawang sip-sip lang ako eh. Ito donut. Kami na tayo dahil madumi na yung magulis na yung bata.
Kaya ako ng noodles. Gusto ko pa ng noodles.
Ano?
What's up? Here. Here's your what's up.
Park eh. Meron silang ambulansya nakatenga. May mga security sila. May mga fencing sila.
Medyo expensive yung pagkain pero okay lang. Kasi, masarap naman. Except for yung sa mga squid. Yung squid hindi masarap. Masarap siya.
Hype lang kasi yung squid kasi maganda.
Mabango, tsaka mabango.
Masarap
Pagpasok
tingnan.
kasi nung sa entrance, diba, yun agad yung maamoy mo eh.
Masarap tingnan kasi yung ginigrill yung squid.
Pero tingin mas masarap yung pork nila na grill. Barbecue grill nila. Ano nalag yung paper nito?
Ano mo ito?
Mamaya na.
Sa bahay na.
Mamaya na. Akin na. Mamaya na natin titikman to. Ito yung national dish ng Lao. Larb. Ito siya.
Yan naman national. Bakit naman hirap talaga yung national dish?
Aba, akala ko pa national dish ang gulo mo.
Google mo nga baka mamaya mabash ka eh. Natin mo bash yan.
Ang sarap niya kasi puro yelo.
Ano kaya nga?
Ano ba yan? Yelo na may konting milk tea. Bumili kami ng yelo. Ice lang siya. May konting milk tea. Pero masarap. Masarap yung milk tea nila.
Gusto pa niya ng manok niya.
In fairness. Ethan, do you wanna go home now? Oh. Oh. You're going home now?
Bless you.
Oh, bless you. And so you're gonna say, excuse me. O, di winter na eh. Di ba pag winter wala yun?